Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video, I will teach you how to turn on timer sounds on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is click the digital clock on your home screen. And after that, okay, you can see below the alarm, the word clock, the stopwatch, and the timer. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on timer sounds on your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, you only have to do is proceed to timer and click the three dot on the upper right side on your screen. After that, click settings. And okay guys, here in clock settings, okay, and timer option, okay, you can see the sounds, and on the right side you can see the switch button. And okay guys, you'll have to do to turn on the timer sounds is switch on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on the timer sounds in your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, now we can try it. Okay, go back, and now I set the timer and to 5 seconds. And okay guys, for my example, so click the start button, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And okay guys, the pop-up are show on the top, and you can hear the sounds. And okay guys, so okay, you can restart or dismiss the timer. And okay guys, I decide to dismiss. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on the timer sounds on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.